thanks for watching my video. So today I want to show you the top 5 freelance sites that are available, whether you're looking to use them for your own business or whether you're looking to work as a freelancer. And there's a lot of different ways that you can work as a freelancer. But before we get started, I want to go ahead and ask that you go smash that like button down below and you subscribe to my channel for more ways to earn money online. I want to thank you and let's get started. First site that I want to talk about that you can use for freelancing, whether you're using it to for your business or you want to make money freelancing out there. It's called Fiverr. I'm pretty sure you've heard of it already. So you can do anything from graphic design to digital marketing, writing and translation, video and animation, music and audio, programming and tech, business, and then fun and lifestyle. So they have lots of different ways. If you look at here, there's fun and lifestyle, online lessons, arts and crafts, relationship advice, health and nutrition. We have video animation. You could do whiteboard and animated, intros and animated logos, promotional videos. You can do writing, anywhere from proofreading and editing to translation, resumes for other people, and then you can also do graphic design. Now, the way that Fiverr works here is you go ahead and post what you're wanting, as like if you're wanting to work for them, say you're really great at writing blog posts, you can post, say, I write blog posts, and then you give your description and you go from there. You charge your amount that you're willing to make for it. And then people will come to you and they will say, hey, I want to hire you, and go from there. And then as a business owner, if you are looking for someone to write your blog articles or make thumbnails for you for your YouTube videos or anything like that, you can come on here and check it out, and then you can see what prices you're willing to pay. So go ahead and sign up for Fiverr and get started working today. The site that I want to show you today is called Freelancer. Now, Freelancer is very much like Fiverr, except you bid as, like, if I went on there and I wanted to start freelancing for somebody and say I like graphic design. If I wanted to design a logo or something like that for them, I would go in and I would search logo design, and then they have all kinds of bids from business owners on there. And you go ahead and submit your bid, and then if your bid wins, you get the project. You get, and so, you know, you bid a certain amount of money, and you could say, okay, well, I'll get it done in 2 days time, or I'll get it done in 2 hours time, whatever you're thinking, time frame would work for you that you could get it. And then the business owner would then in turn say, okay, well, I liked your bid the best. Let's go ahead and communicate and get together and decide on what to do. Now, this is also really great for business owners, because if you have a very specific budget that you're looking to make, then you can go ahead and use Fiverr and say, okay, well, I would like a logo design for, I only have $25 I can spend on this. Let's say, you know, 25 is my max, and then you may get bids lower than that to create a logo for you. So it's a win-win for both situations, whether you're wanting to be a freelancer or you have a business that you're wanting to get started and you need logos done and things like that. So it's really, really cool. I like it because you can actually go in. I like it as opposed to Fiverr. I like both of them. But I like this because you can go in, like as a freelancer, I can go in and see what jobs are available. And then I could bid on the ones that I'm comfortable with. And then I'm like, yeah, I can do that, rather than posting it and saying, hey, I do graphic design or whatnot. And then you get all these people. So if you're just starting out in the world of freelancing, I would go ahead and start with freelancers, because you can start getting comfortable with freelancing by saying, okay, I want to do these particular businesses and things like that. Once you're really comfortable, move up to Fiverr, and then from there you can say, okay, I do graphic design. I am confident in my graphic design. These are the graphic designs that I've done, and then you could post on Fiverr and you can make more money from there. So the third site that I want to show you is called Upwork. And Upwork is very similar to Fiverr and freelancers. And if you sign up for all three of these, and we'll get into the other two in a minute. If you sign up for all three of these, you start with freelancer and then you move up to Fiverr and Upwork. Then as a freelancer, you will be making a full-time income from these sites. Now, how you just go into Upwork. It's like I said, it's very similar. They have a lot of the similar jobs. You go into Upwork. They have web development, mobile development, design, writing, admin support, customer service, marketing, accounting. So they have a bigger variety of freelance work than Fiverr and freelancer. You can go to Upwork and you can look at how it works. Whether you're looking to, if you're hiring, if you're a freelancer, and then there are lots of frequently asked questions. So you can go down and read finding rewarding projects, getting hired, working efficiently and effectively, getting paid on time, services and fees for freelancers. So they have lots of information on this page, and you can go ahead and get started with Upwork. So the fourth site I want to show you is freelance writing. Now this is specifically for writers as opposed to Fiverr, freelancers, and Upwork. They have a larger variety of things. If you really want to hone in on specifically on writing, whether you have journalism, you have copywriting, blogging, anything like that, freelance writing is going to be the site for you. And you go in, you sign up, and then you can apply for each job that comes up on this one. And then if the business owner likes your content, then they'll go ahead and hire you. And you have, your set hours that you work and things like that. So you can hire a writer, you can utilize the writer resources, you can learn more about them on freelance writing. Finally, on the fifth category is Maven. Now, Maven isn't exactly freelancing. It's more of micro consulting is what they say here on the website. So if you have a specific skill, a lot of knowledge in one particular area, this is the site that you want to sign up for. And they do consulting with other businesses. They try to, their goal is to help make other businesses better. And again, you can use this either as a business owner or as a freelancer on here. And they do a lot of different things, and you can learn, you share your knowledge, so you go about your usual business. When our system finds a potential match for your expertise, we'll contact you, respond to written questions. You can talk on the phone, you participate in bigger projects, or even find jobs to earn substantial consulting fees. So this one really is more, if you have a very particular set of skills, then this is the site that you're going to want to start in on, so you can help other businesses out there become better. Go ahead and check these sites out, get signed up for them today, and be on your way to starting a full-time income online if you'd like. And I want to ask that you go ahead and like this video down below and subscribe to my channel if you want to find out more ways to work online. Thanks for joining me, and have a wonderful day.